JJ! Look how big the curtain. I'm not. No. Well, his eyes look sleepy.
He is sleepy.
With the eyes. But to the I'm making it down.
Yeah?
My why before when he was in the hospital, why Jackie? What? When Mummy and Jack was in the hospital, when Jackie gave birth to Mummy, why? She said it the wrong way. Why, Jack? Why? She said it the wrong way. Why?
Where are you, Ma?
She said it.
Come here, then. Mommy will listen.
But was that the wrong way? Mummy gave birth to Jack. And what Jack gave birth to Mommy. Also, boys doesn't have babies.
Hello. Look at this position.
Is it comfortable like that? Is it okay like that?
Yeah.
Oh, show me.
Ang mga bata ang mga ate, nag-iPad na. Tutoy daw si Jack, baka daw ilugan siya ng kanyang daddy ng tutoy. Ilugan ka ng daddy, nak? Hindi man niya matutoy ng daddy ni Jack pag mayroong gatas, kaya maluluod man yan. Kaya mababaho man daw yung milk. Pagkabaho daw. Anak lang. Hello, si Mami wala English. Meron pala akong bagong channel ba? Doon sa isang channel ko, is yung content ko is breastfeeding. Yun yung content ko. Hagoy, doon nanonood ang aking mga marites na lablab. Siguro nila ako, gano'n nila ako ka-idol para doon sila mang-bash. Doon sila, hindi man yun para sa kanila. Sabi nila, dami silang sinasabi na hindi daw ako edukada kasi nagpapasuso daw, ganito. Mag-search kayo, maraming nagpapa-breastfeed sa YouTube at it's okay sa YouTube at wala akong dapat ikahiya doon kasi hindi naman ako naghuhubad. Tingnan niyo yung uban nga ang cleavage lalabas. Ako wala akong ikahiya. So, ganun nila ako ka-idol. Sumusunod sila kahit saan ako para mag-comment, mag-bash doon. Ganun nila ako ka-idol. Ayaw nila sa akin, pero idol na idol nila ako na. Sinusundan nila ako kahit saan-saan. Doon sa isang channel ko. Say hi, Jack! Say hi! Hi! Nag-gray ng mata ni Jack or black mo siguro ito ay. Paiba-iba everyday yung kulay ng kanyang mata. 6 to 9 months ang damit ni Jack today. 6 to 9 months ito. Diba? Kunti lang yung gap dyan. Kaya nagsikip na yung kanyang mga 3 to 6 months. Namili pa naman ako ng maraming 3 to 6 months. Ayan, ito. Magsikip na sa kanya. Masikip na. Na yun ni Jack. Bihisan ko muna to kay nag-CR. Hala, sige. Nagkisi-kisi. Uy, hala, suko man. Nagkisi-kisi ang bata na bata. Tignan. Kusga na kay among baby buyag, malakas na. Sipa pa mo. Jack. Good morning. Ang mukha niya today, maitim na naman mga tita. Ewan ko ba ito iyang mukha, oy. Paiba-iba man ang kulay, oy. Ang tiil. Puti ka na siya doon sa Facebook. Kaya nagamit man kong TikTok filter. Maputi siya doon. Tapos yung mata niya, klaro yung kulay. Dito sa aming camera, hindi man, oy. Iba man itong camera na ito, oy. One little market. 1, 2, tees. Jack! Ang kanyang ate ni Jack naglaro na ng iPad. Bantog de ay maitim oy kayong setting ko sa camera. Iya pala. Sobrang itim, sobrang kanang ustaw gani. Sobrang dilim. Hi Jack. Say good morning. Nalibat. Paliguan ko tong bata na ito. Ligo mi ani. I-arrange ko muna yung kanyang kama. Guba na niya akong kamera ba? Wa na ang mama ni Jack. Kuan na. Laspag na kayo Jack. Wa na jud ni Jack. Biyaan na tani mong daddy Jack. Kita na daddy guwapa. Kita daddy ang guwapa. Dili, oy. Love kay na niya si Jack, oy. Oy. Siya lang siya. Da. Lamit niyo mo, oy. Iwan ko ba, oy. Ang sarap halik-halik ka ng baby, no? So, i-ready ko lang itong kanyang kama. Kay ang mami na parang gibidli. Parang nang lilipad yung utak. Kay wala nang tulog-tulog. Mura na ako nitong abat. Dan si Jack, oh. Dito siya magbihis. Siya naman tani, Jack. Mura naman si mami yung gibidli, Jack. No? Ang dami nating lipitin. Meron pang plato dito. Kay last time to sa pizza. Ito yung kanyang ano yan? Hilak na, oh. Tignan nyo, hilak na siya, oh. Lagi ay maligo tayo para fresh si Jack, oy. Madami si Jack, ano. Nen! Madami siya cradle cup. Ayaw pa naman ng YouTube na ipaiyak-iyak yung bata. Ali na, ali! Ano siya man, eh? Hay! Agoy! Noon siya man, eh? Ano siya, oh? Agoy! 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 Noon siya man, eh? Noon siya man, eh? Kalamay mo pa ako, nanay. Na, hello! Anak, sige, hello mga oh, hagoy! Kadigwaon, di ay to? Tingin pa siya sa inyo. Tingnan. Oh, nagsumbong ka, tita. Tita, lain ang gibati. Nadigwaon ko. Anak. Kasukaan, di ay itong bata ni mami. Ha? Agoy. Wanda ba miti ay? Oh no. Agoy ni ang bata. Ayan, oh. Ang bata, tita siya, oh. Big boy naman eh. Kusog na ni magtutuyok sa kanyang ulo. I love you. Love you. Lain yang gibati ba? Kaysa kuan ni sa gatas ko. Eka. It's okay, it's okay. Lain ni mo gibati di ay? Tawa-tawa man ka diha. Na yung kuan ni Jack. Ngayon, kailangan lang natin hubad si Jack. Oh, sus. Sorry. Kunin natin ito. Hay, tag-asa nagkuko, oy. Let's cut your nails lang. Ay, nako, hinilabtan na naman ito ni Jenny. Kaya wala namang laman dito. Asa na yung nail cutter? Wala man ito. Ayo. Today, mommy is manicure pedicure. Itak-tak lang natin to mamaya. Kanyang glove. Let me see. Tagas kayong kuko, bay. Maganda to, kay hindi siya maganon ka sobrang kuan ba na makasamad sa kuko ng bata. Ha? Nail cutter ta? Nail cutter. Nail cutter mini Jack, oh. Hala, so kaputi naman namo din ha. Naunsa naman namin mukha ni Jack. What happened, Jack? Oh, si Jack, oh. Hindi masyadong kita yung kulay ng blue ng mata niya. Pero doon sa aking cellphone, okay. Ito dito, imputan ni camera. Uy, buguon man siguro ni. Behave lang siya, nagpakat sa kanyang nails. Bebe. One more. Ano. Agay, wait siya. Agay, suko. Bikat na mami nails sa ono na. Bebe. Wait. Gusto maning kamutan ni mura manig kamot sa kuan, manok. Ay, sa pa. Ulat sa. Nara, cut na ang nails ni Jack. Di na masamad. Suko na. Suko naman ka diha. Meron pa yan siyang pag ganito, oh. Ito ba? Ayan, para hindi masyadong kuan. Sharp. Agay, gidigwan na ni mo yung kuan. Sinok. Ito yung kanyang ano, oh. Ayan, oh, mayroon diyang, hala, kurat. Nakurat man sa iyang kaugalingon. Asa naman ka? Dan? Digwa naman na ni mo imong tawil nga maligo pa man ang tawon ta. Naon na siya cradle cup. Ayan, oh, dami. Nagbili ako nito ng shampoo baka bukas or mamaya yun magdating. Pagpaliguan ko siya, ayan, oh, ang dami nga, oh, kawawa naman si Jackoy. Sabi-sabi, diba ako na pag mayroong ganyan, pag nag-ana-ana, magputi-puti ganito, at never ko na-experience sa aking mga anak, siya hintuon na, hindi man kami nag-ana-ana ni Win, hindi pala talaga yan totoo, na pag mag-ana-ana, pupunta daw sa ulo ng bata, hindi yan totoo, oy. Tingin-tingin lang si Dudong, bike, tapusin ko itong kanao, na, ito, narak kong kamot, na, mot, kuko ni Jack. Be, show tita your nail. Ay, di po ni mo focus na yung buguon nga kamera. Ay, siya panak. Hit kayo. Bugo man yung kamera ni mami lang. Uy. Ay, siya naman to. Ayan. Yan. Ito nyo ba? Hala, nagtingog lagi na imong tiyan, Jack. Ay, ganyan kuko. Ay, gali. What stuff? Away na. Are you fighting again? Kita, oh, nag-fight naman si Jessica at Jen. It's okay, don't cry. You don't need to cry, okay? You don't need to cry. You find again that JJ cannot fight with you, okay? Lotion? Okay.
Where do I put it?
In his arms.
I'm not gonna put it on there because it will go on his eyes.
Yeah? Okay. Halaka, wag na kinumot na naman yung kanyang ulo.
I touched my eye.
Need be careful.
I don't want it. Sometimes when I have fake spit, I put it back in my mouth.
He's farting.
So mommy can show you and the daddy don't see me.
Oi! Why?
Because
Oi!
I'm scared.
Someone shouting. Oh. Say hi, JJ. Oh, ano? Hi, JJ.
He's sad.
I don't know. Yeah. Sleepy naman na siya na. He's sleepy. And he want to didi. Okay.
They're making it. Okay, try to. Put two tattoos and put a mouth. I don't know how to put a mouth. No, you do it. You're supposed to do the arms is curly. And now the mouth. Where's his arm?
Here.
JJ, this is how
He's
you
hiding
do
it.
the eyes. And this is how you do the mouth.
He's sleepy.
I just saw his eyes.
He's sleepy.
His eyes was starting to close, but he tried to keep it open. Don't put your finger inside, it will get stuck. I'll try again. You try. No, because I don't want my finger to get stuck. Ow! Ow!
Careful.
Like the JJ, and this, that's like for a steam spoon. You burped. You. Mommy, you know when you color your hair, was Jack still in your belly or no?
Yes.
I thought you're not allowed to color though. Ow!
Careful.
No, don't put it all the way there. Oh, you're choking. The mouse. The mouse is so cute. Babies are funny when they choke because their mouth looks cute.
They do. The mouth is like, mm.
And their voice.
Yeah.
I meant the sound.
Jenny, what are you doing? You're gonna break it. Put it back out. Stand up sa daw lang, be.
No more dog. Why you said stand up na, be?
Agoy, nahulog na.
Mommy,
Yeah?
what day was Jack born?
Sunday.
You can be here.
Okay,
Mommy,
here.
Mommy, put the
Here, I'll sit
finger.
down here.
Mommy, put the finger in here.
Move na.
Mommy, you put the finger in here.
Yeah. Sige, brush his hair.
Jack's actually dark. Is it the curtain? It's not JJ. Look how big the curtain. I'm not. No. Well, his eyes look sleepy
He is sleepy.
with the eyes. But to the I'm making it down.
Yeah?
My wife before when he was in the hospital, why Jackie? What? When Mummy and Jack was in the hospital, when Jackie gave birth to Mummy, why? She said it the wrong way. Why Jack? Why? She said it the wrong way. Why?
Where are you, Ma?
She said it the wrong way.
Come here then. Mommy will listen.
But was that the wrong way? Mummy gave birth to Jack. And what Jack gave birth to me. Also, boys doesn't have babies.
Yeah. Come here. Parang mga tanga tong dalawa.
I think you get pregnant.
Clip na.
But that was funny. Oh yeah, stop.
It's okay. Come here.
I'm real good. Okay, he's going to sleep now. His eyes are squinty. He grew eyelashes. These babies have
He's
bullets.
got long eyelashes. Do you wanna go with Mommy today?
What?
I go somewhere.
Where?
In Lidl.
Okay. I think I will come. Because I want to go outside.
Okay.
Okay, he's sleeping now. What? Wait, Lidl's. I
go?
think I know that. Yeah, I know. But when you said Jack was pregnant. No, when Mommy.
What?
I said Jack was pregnant for you.
Mommy is pregnant with Jack. Say it like that. Come here. Oh, you did the eye. Come here then. Dali na. Nasuko na si Jack. Ay, si Jenny. Galit. Jenny's angry. Dali na, Jack. Bin, mag-burp na. Uy, tulog.
Why you're not shy, they can see your lip.
I'll cover it when I edit.
But
Turn off my
why
camera,
on
anak.
Facebook? Okay, which one do I press?
What?
She said, she said it wrong, but it wasn't.
Oh, it wasn't in the wrong way? Oh, okay. Don't be upset
Are
then.
you lying?
White lie. Kilak man. Galit man, oh.
You was
Ala, nasuko. Tulog na si Jack. Masarap na yan kanyang tulog. I don't think need niya ng habol kay hindi naman ganun yung kalamig dito sa loob. Meron naman siyang ramper. Niluan ko itong aking laptop kahit muragwa naman ni Atiman. Oy, kawawa naman ito. Sobrang dumi ng screen. Nagdikit-dikit na. Ambot, anong nilagay nila Jessica nito? Yan, oh, gabog kaayo. Hello, ay, sa kong laptop, teka. I-send ko muna kay Maring Ane itong aking picture. Sa Facebook, ay YouTube.
Hello.
Good morning to the hindi natapos yung aking vlog kahapon. Oh, si Jack, oh, nagkisi-kisi na. Mura nagsi-Inday J. Hala, nanipa. Is kicking you? Mura nagkabayo. An! Lo, suko. Hala ka lang. Ayun, no, naninipa ka, JJ. Gisapot man ito si Ann.
Why he mad?
I don't know. Dali na, quickly. I will wash you before he cries. Did she? It's okay, Jenny. It's not dirty. Dali na. Jack?
That's not dirty.
That one. It was been there since yesterday. Jenny?
I just want to give this a bath.
Me.
But it's heavy.
I'll do that. Put your jacket. Nandun pa si Jack sa loob. Transfer ko lang ito aking jacket. Put my jacket there, be. Bakit ang kalat nitong sa kuan ni Jack? Get it now quickly.
Everybody will see you.
Mauna.
Fun.
Kailangan pa i-remind mag-shorts.
Everybody will see fun.
Plaster na si Jack. I think it's gonna rain. Oy. Ayaw hindi mag-ulan. Kaya bakit? Mag-bike ako mamaya para matanggal na to. Oh, ang laki pa ng aking ganito. Tapos yung legs ko. Yan oh, para pa akong kuan, baboy. Behave kaayo si Jack.
Jack talks. Why babies talk funny when they're young, when
They're
they're
babies,
little bit
anak.
tall.
Yan na si JJ.
Mommy,
Oh.
when the babies are big and
This side, anak.
when babies are big, a little bit too big, they have a one or two.
Yes. JJ, did you find it? Huh? Okay, put your seatbelt then. Maganda, maaga tayo para hindi tayo magmadali ba? Lalo na pag-drive, ay naku, mahirap magmadali.
I was the baby who was sitting in the middle. No one.
No one.
Wait, only mommy. Only mommy when
Unsa naman ni ang kalat? May chismis inday din sa inyo. Put your bag in the side, anak. Or on the other side.
on the seat.
Yeah, that's fine. May kuan ba? Sa Facebook, di ba, may content ako doon. Nagre-reels kami. Oh, sa mga hindi pa nakapalo, ipalo ni si Inday Iljit para may $1 kami. Off natin itong aircon. Yes. Let's off the aircon.
Oh, hello, Jack.
Jack is looking around. Are we ready? It's 8:16 na. Nashock ako kasi bigla ang naging 4 million views yung video ni Jack doon sa Facebook.
What?
The Jack's video when he did it. Doon sa Facebook, hindi maarte
Wait,
yung tao doon kahit nakikita nila yung dito ko.
Say it all over again.
Did you know that Jack have 4 million views in Facebook?
No, I heard you tell Daddy that.
What?
That Jack famous.
Jack famous. Oh, Daddy said that.
No,
Tawang-tawa si Wayne kasi si Wayne walang problema kay Wayne na magpasuso ako. Meron niya akong isang ibang content doon sa isang YouTube ko. 22,000 yung subscribers doon. Nagpapadidi lang ako kay Jack. Wala man yung problema. Tapos yun nga, mayroong dalawa atang video na nag-viral ni Jack sa Facebook. 1 million at 1 million at 4 million. Yung iba is 1,000. So sabi ni Wayne sa akin, tawang-tawa siya dahil yun nga, nagpapasuso lang ako. Walang OA doon sa Facebook ay. Kahit ganun yung content ko, walang nagsasabi ng masama sa akin. Dito lang sa YouTube na parang hindi daw ako edukada, madami silang yaw-yaw. Wala namang nipple, tapos sa YouTube kasi okay lang naman sa YouTube na ganyan yung content. Maraming ang iba, malalaki yung sahod nila, oy, nagpapasuso lang yung content nila. It doesn't mean na nagpapasuso tayo, wala tayong oy, respect sa sarili. Kasi alam nyo, that's no natural thing to do. No? Breastfeeding. Dinamay pas Jessica ba? Natural yan na band sa mama at sa anak. Walang ano dun, problema. Para sa akin, walang problema dun. Yes?
Why do people step on cockroaches? It is making slime on it.
Yes? Where did you see a cockroaches? Gay, katulak kong tiil na. Dito na kami. Hala, nagbike. So, ayun nga, doon, 4 million yung views ni Jack. Medyo nakakuha kami ng ilang dollars. As in, sobrang saya ko dahil effortless lang, ilang seconds lang, nagdidi siya sa akin. Biglaan naging 4 million ang views. At ano, kanang pag mag-viral kasi madami ng bashers, pero yung bashers doon is mga ano lang man, yung mga ibang lahi dahil hindi man kasi normal sa kanila magpasuso ba, magsasabi sila na disgusting, ganon. Pero para sa akin, hindi naman oy, lalo na pag basta as long as na walang nipple, hindi yan considered as nudity and sexuality. If you think that's sexual or walang respeto sa sarili, you have to go to psychiatrist. Magpa-check kayo oy kung ganun yung iniisip nyo. Pero mostly naman, hindi nila iniisip na bastos. Yung mga, lalo na yung ibang mga nanay nakakaintindi. Walang problema doon kung hindi magtapon sa suso. Ang problema doon, yung mga marites na mga hilabtanon, mind your own business. Mind your own business. Dito tayo, traffic tayo dito. Every morning to dito. Medyo maaga pa naman. Okay lang. Gusto ko sana maglakad na lang pag summertime dahil yun, kita nyo yung sunlight maganda. Para mas slim ako ba ng mabilisan. Do you like mommy slim, anak? Si Jessica at Jenny, mas gusto nila slim si mommy. Mommy looks nice daw pag slim. Iba-iba kasi yung ating paningin, no? Beauty is in the eye talaga of the beholder. Pero bakit ito sobrang traffic? Traffic to dahil doon sa isang traffic light, madaming pumupunta. Hinahinay rata diri. Inita oy. Si Jessica, ilang months na lang ito, mag-break na to sila soon. You're 7 years old soon, Jessica. Do you know that? You're getting big. Need namin ni Wayne mag-be careful dahil pag only 1 month. Pag ganito ng age, medyo ano na sila ba? Sensitive. Makakaintindi na. Yeah?
Yeah, there's a hard but I don't know how to sing it.
Mabuti na lang. It's good that we're early, anak. See? We don't know what the traffic will be like. What happen if we're late and then it's like this traffic? Mommy will be panicking. It's not safe, no, to drive. When you're panicking, it's not safe to drive. You okay, Jack? Tingin-tingin lang.
When you're panicking, you're scared.
Yes, you're scared and your mind is all over the place.
But it's good.
It's not good to panic, anak. It's very dangerous. That's why when mommy's driving, you shouldn't fight. You and Jenny shouldn't fight. You should be good there at the back.
Bumpy.
Will we fit? Yeah? Yo, look at me and mirror and the self. I will used to be the same. I will love myself. Wala pa rin. Kahit saan talaga ako ilagay. Do you like mommy laughing or do you like mommy mad?
Laughing.
Laughing? Why? When mommy's mad, what's mommy's face? Takot daw sila sa akin. Are you scared when mommy's mad? Tingnan nyo silang dalawa, oh. I think mommy is feeling better now. Mommy is not super mad. You know what's the thing that mommy makes mad? When in the night time and you don't go to sleep because you have to go sleep early.
No.
Always in your iPad.
Mommy,
You should. Yes?